They say the only things certain in life are death and taxes, which makes everything else a gamble. And if you're looking for the pinnacle of gambling, go no further than Las Vegas, Nevada. Known for bright lights, shows, and slot machines, Vegas is more than just the iconic Strip. There's a whole other form of gambling going on, the housing market.
The early 2000s up through about 2005, homes couldn't get built fast enough. As we moved into 2006, we started to see a dramatic decline very fast. So fast that job sites literally were shut down and fenced off. But currently we are starting to see finally a turn up, and the market's coming back.
It's time to strike, and that's exactly what is happening. But to build in Vegas, you need the right equipment.
If they were to rip it with a bulldozer, they'd have to crush the material to a usable product size on site, which would have been extra cost for them to need, and they wouldn't be able to utilize the product as they want to on this job site, from raising one side and lowering the other to be able to compact the material.
But it's not a done deal because the ground is hard.
You know, it's hard for the excavators to dig it, but for the track machines, it's actually ideal. It digs well, and it actually creates a very good usable spoil that they can use back into the ditch that they're opening. But more importantly is they don't blast in Vegas. It's basically a no blast zone. So terrain levelers have become a popular way to do a lot of site prep.
Back in Plant 3 on the Vermeer Mile, Vermeer team members are doing all they can to maximize the payout on the machine.
I inspect each weld and each part and repair as needed. The robot does a really good job as far as laying the weld down. Yeah, a good weld's going to mean a stronger part. So then the life of that part for the customer will be longer.
Between me and our techs online, we want to make the best machine that we can, just like we would buy it or own it. We do end-of-line inspections, full function tests of every piece of equipment that's tracked off the line.
They say what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, probably for the best. But what happens at Vermeer is going out and impacting the world. Now that's something you can bet on.